If you're wondering how to buy shares of OVB Holding AG, this quick guide will show the essential steps. OVB Holding AG is a financial advisory group listed on Xetra under the ticker O4B.DE. This is educational information, not financial advice. To place an order, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search box and enter the ticker O4B.DE to find OVB Holding AG. Select the result that matches the Xetra listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the market is Xetra and the ticker reads O4B.DE to confirm it's the right security. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before finalizing. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for a link if you want to visit eToro and learn more.